What is up, YouTube fam? Steven from the Vargas team here again, bringing you another property tour video. So in this channel, as you know, we tend to focus a lot on the Brickell neighborhood, and that is mainly because a good portion of my clientele lives within this area. However, there are other very popular neighborhoods that exist in Miami that my team and I do a lot of real estate in, and unfortunately, we don't always have a chance to showcase those areas all that often. But that is going to change. Moving forward, I'm going to be more intentional about bringing you content in some of Miami's other neighborhoods. So for example, South Miami and the downtown Dadeland area. I've sold many properties in this area over the last few years, and recently, someone from my team rented a 1-bedroom, 1-bath at the Metropolis condominium for $1,750 per month. A similar layout to this one would sell for around $240,000, making this a great affordable option in the Miami area. That is a change in theme from the traditional $500,000 plus properties that you have come to know and find on this channel. Now, I will get to all the details on Metropolis condominium in just a second, but one of my favorite things about Metropolis is its location to downtown Dadeland and Dadeland Mall. Literally just across the street, you as a resident will have access to some great restaurants, bars, shopping, fitness studios, and much more. It's also a great spot to meet with friends for a few drinks after work, or even have a business meeting at one of the coffee shops nearby. So if you want to have that city feel with great walkability, but you don't want to be too far north, then downtown Dadeland near the South Miami area may be a perfect fit for you. Now, before we move on and get into the building, make sure to subscribe to the channel by clicking that subscribe button. I post a new video on this channel every single week, so tap that bell icon to be notified of my next upload. And if you've enjoyed the content so far, then leave this video a like by tapping that thumbs up button. Okay, so moving on, we get into the lobby. Metropolis is a full service condominium, which means you have valet for you and your guests, as well as a 24-hour lobby attendant front desk. There's also 2 pools, a gym, cardio room, and a club room, but more on that later. This 1-bedroom is a true gem in my opinion. If you've been following the craze that is Miami real estate, then you may have noticed that 1-bedroom options under $2,000 are almost non-existent, especially a 1-bedroom in a great area in a newer constructed high-rise with sweeping views. This layout is spacious in that it's 797 square feet, and you also get granite countertops and stainless steel appliances for this price point. The views at this price point are also incredible. From this vantage point, you get a spectacular view of the South Miami neighborhood and even Brickell, which is pretty far off, but not to mention the bay that you will have in the background. The entire layout just works. It has northeast exposure, and with its floor-to-ceiling glass windows both in the living room as well as in the bedroom, this property gets a ton of natural light, which, if you've been following my channel or my previous videos, you would know is a huge selling point for me and should be a huge selling point for anybody else. Moving on, we get into the amenity deck. Metropolis consists of 2 towers, both of which will have access to the amenity floor. Unfortunately, at the time of the recording of this video, the pool was under construction, so we're not able to cross over to see the gym that's on that side. But on the east tower, you will find the cardio room, which of course can double as a stretch room, as well as the actual club or social room. All the amenities are accessed through a fob system for more security, but you can reserve this room for special events if needed.